Stuff before was always real thick. You carry it yourself. With such a long piece, you can't. He actually needs 3 guys.
Hey now, Carl the Madman here. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching. Just doing the normal AM routine here. Got the bread on the go. Planning on hitting the shop tonight again after work. Put the carburetor back on the BERZERKER. And hopefully that solved the gas leak. But we'll see, I guess. And yeah. Happy place. All right, so gonna try to get this carburetor back on here, and you know, fingers crossed that that fixed my gas leak. This choke cable, very awkward to hook up, and those throttle cables, holy smokes, they're gonna be a challenge. I might have to get somebody out here to give me a hand, actually. Anyways, we'll hook up this choke first. Okay, got her all hooked up again. Gonna turn on the gas, fire this thing up. Better open the doors and the windows this time. And cross everything I've got. Fingers, toes, anything I got 2 of, I'm crossing them right now. I'm crossing them right now. Everything I got more than 2 of, I'm crossing right now. Looks like we got her. No more gas leak. Oh yeah. I love this bike. The 1982 Honda Berserker 500cc single. Okay folks, well, I'm gonna call it a night, and you know how it goes from here. Have a great day. Hey.